About 22 million light-years away in the equatorial constellation of Hydra, there is a galaxy, which is called NGC 3621, is a field spiral galaxy. It is comparatively bright and can be well seen in moderate-sized telescopes. The galaxy is around 93,000 light-years across and is inclined at an angle of 25 degrees from being viewed edge-on. It shines with a luminosity equal to 13 billion times that of the Sun. The morphological classification which indicates this is an ordinary spiral with loosely wound arms. There is no evidence for a bulge. Although it appears to be isolated, NGC 3621 belongs to the Leo spur. This galaxy has an active nucleus that matches a Seyfert 2 optical spectrum, suggesting that a low-mass supermassive black hole is present at the core. Based upon the motion of stars in the nucleus, this object may have a mass of up to 3 million times the mass of the Sun.